Hi guys, and welcome back to a second airdrop video of BrikBit digital shares. And today I will show you a video tutorial on how to participate to the airdrop. It's a quite different airdrop from the first one because also we had now a Instagram contest with the airdrop. So let's start. Push on the start button. And first things you have to do is to input inside the email you used to be whitelisted. So if you haven't whitelisted yet, so do it. After that, input the email inside here. After whitelisting, you will find the button for YouTube channel. So subscribe to our YouTube page. In that way, and input inside your YouTube nickname. Third part, Instagram. So you can see here, you will find a picture that we use to for example, for you. You can use any picture you want with your favorite building with you or without you. You have to use, it's mandatory to use the BrikBit digital shares logo in the picture with the building. Check the instruction, post an original pictures or use our picture, and you have to insert the sentences above as captation, and be sure to modify the localization hashtag. We use the hashtag Milano because we take the picture in Milano, but you have to use your location. Again, as I said, you don't need to use our picture. You can use your picture to compete on the contest. After posting, follow the link in the third part of the instruction, code of a ninja. Find your Instagram user ID and put it inside of the bot, like this. Last part, Twitter. Copy the picture, copy the sentences below the picture, and post it on your Twitter. So after that, put your nickname inside of the bot. After the verification, you can just get out of the bot. That's all. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.
Curious about more FAQs? Click here or here. And I know that you're dying to subscribe to BrikBit YouTube page. Just do it here. Simple as that.